Driving large trucks, especially those used for transporting large logs, requires special techniques, skills, and expertise beyond what is needed for driving personal vehicles or small trucks. Maneuvering these trucks on narrow roads or in less than ideal logging sites demands exceptional handling skills. What about the driving skills needed for massive logging trucks? The route taken by the Valmet this time was relatively straightforward. In this recording, the equipment is shown operating in a rather barren forest during tree felling. The felled logs are then transported by the Valmet. Relying on the CRF-7 type crane, this Valmet can haul logs with a maximum weight of up to 14 tons. Even when carrying just one log, this truck appears nimble, arranging the logs neatly. In another situation, the Valmet also looks impressive, plowing through very thick mud. Measuring 9 meters in length, this logging truck is equipped with 8 tires sized 665ths x 34. Despite carrying extremely heavy and bulky loads, these tires easily navigate the muddy terrain after the area was hit by heavy rain. It's no wonder that Valmet can claim minimal damage caused by obstacles, branches, or difficult terrain. Additionally, it enhances efficiency, yielding maximum results from the tasks assigned to this truck. One of the fascinating aspects of this truck is its modern design, which features a combination of green and red colors. This semi-trailer platform truck offers exceptional flexibility in transporting timber. Equipped with a cabin that can be lifted and rotated, it assists operators in managing the crane for loading and unloading. The Logo 12 is ideal for transporting timber up to 12 meters long. To ensure the tractor's flexible usage, the Epsilon Q 170L crane is mounted on the trailer's neck. The striking red guard design is truly attention-grabbing, and this part is engineered to prevent the transported timber from rolling to the sides. This semi-trailer is touted to be useful in forestry, long-distance transport, and off-road applications, making it suitable for both long and short timber. Weighing in at 11.74 tons, this truck is seen in action during the winter season. Not only can it transport one tree trunk, but the Timberjack can also carry 2 trunks at once in a single load. The type of crane used in its operation is the F60FT68 crane. However, the truck has faced challenges such as difficulty advancing through snowy terrain filled with small tree branches. This machine, they say, has become a favorite in the wood industry. Well, it's not surprising given its ability to handle loading and unloading large quantities of previously felled logs. Impressively, it can lift 2 bundles with a total load of up to 31 tons. Its modular grapple can be easily swapped out as needed, allowing for continuous operation. Additionally, it's noted that many major companies in Europe and South America have been using the RTD 3126 for years as the best equipment for handling wood. This truck powers through thick mud with ease. It seems impossible, but that's exactly what this amazing truck can do. The mud nearly covers its tires entirely, yet slowly and carefully, the operator manages to navigate through the thick muck. The truck's manufacturer guarantees efficiency, saving both time and money. Snowy conditions are no exception. This log set remains sturdy, plowing through snow mixed with mud, and with the Agco 74 LFTN engine, this heavy-duty vehicle can carry loads up to 14 tons. Additionally, the entire frame, central joint, bogie attachments, load space, and solid hood are all designed to withstand extremely tough conditions. Equipped with the Tier 4F Tigercat FPT N67 engine, this Tigercat is capable of optimal performance when cutting medium to large-sized trees. This heavy machinery can cut down a tree in an estimated 10 seconds. Additionally, it can also transport the felled tree for relocation, and the truck generates a power output of 186 kilowatts with a hydraulic piston system operating the drive, boom, steering, saw, and fan. The Scania logging truck has unique features. In this footage, an operator is seen operating the logging truck from outside the cab. The red logging tool swiftly cuts and horizontally transports the tree. Furthermore, its maneuverability is impressive even with a load of logs behind it. The total length of this truck reaches 27 meters, with the capacity to load logs up to 21.5 meters long. The truck is also equipped with a steerable front axle, controllable from the cabin, which allows it to navigate sharp turns and S-curves. This machine boasts an impressive reach. Imagine, with its long arm, it can operate at lengths ranging from 18 meters to 23 meters. Its large grip can firmly and agilely lift logs to be neatly stacked below. The machine also appears flexible and can rotate as needed. And this is powered by a 261 kilowatts diesel engine that meets Tier 4F emission standards, including automatic idle stop and eco modes. Even with the longest equipment, lifting a load of 6.2 tons is still possible and within safe limits. This equipment is already well known in the heavy machinery and industrial sectors. In this recording, the John Deere logging truck powers through a flood mixed with very thick mud. Equipped with 6 600-sized tires, the operator can easily navigate the terrain. Even waterlogged turns are no problem for this American-made heavy equipment. On steep terrain, this truck remains undeterred by the challenging routes. Slowly but surely, it carefully descends the steep paths. Capable of carrying a load of up to 12 tons, this equipment is also equipped with a CF5 winch. It lands perfectly, powered by a 6068 HTJ engine that generates 865 nanometers of torque. Unlike the previous model, this truck is equipped with giant tires. The way this logging truck operates is quite unique, with the operator's seat located behind the steering wheel. Despite the rear position that makes the logs extend backward, this truck is quite agile in its operation. Moreover, with its yellow clamp, it can load more logs without creating a mess. Kamaz also offers agility on the terrains it traverses. In this recording, the Kamaz logging truck is seen swiftly navigating through mud and snow simultaneously. Indeed, this logging truck is designed to tackle extremely difficult routes. Although it occasionally gets stuck, it can continue without slipping or falling to the ground.